Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to update and modify MySQL data using PHP application. See here, I'll tell you a simple problem statement and how to solve the solution by using update statements and update form. I'll explain you here. See, come to the database. This is the database. It's a name and email password. It is inserted successfully. And I have forgotten to add my first name in the database name itself. So I want to create like a correction in my record. How it is possible? Yes. By making update query and update form, it's very super easy to update. Now let's see here. For this, I have added update link here in the HTML form. Let's come back to the view.php. See here, one more action I have taken here to uncomment this action. Yes, is the title. It's a table row, the table title. You will see that the name of the action also. Under the action column, you will see here like a one table data with the href link I am prepared. The link name consists of the name update. So called here it is showing that update. This is it will be displayed now. Refresh action. Yes. Okay. The update link it will be like routing you like edit underscore user.php with the form name edit underscore user.php form name where the question mark id I am passing a parameter to identifying unique record, which record I am going to editing. So many records are there in my report form. So how can I edit? So distinguish between these all the records by making the unique identity. We have created auto increment value column in database. This is the column we have prepared for auto increment. The purpose of correcting any unique identity to have a record from the database, we'll get it easily. Okay, now let's come back to the code. Once it is established a href link, it will be passed like a see the row ID we have placed here. That's it. Once you click the update button, based on the row ID, it will be read to appended the ID here with the ID like this parameter is having the ID value and by hitting that link will be redirect to you this place like edit underscore user reg.php. Now see here I have created edit underscore user reg.php. That request will comes to land in this page. This is edit underscore user reg.php. Now for this page is going to be interacting with the database. So see here establishing a database connection and reading the parameter of the ID which is passed by view form with the C. This is the ID I am reading here on using get super global to the ID. What is the name of the parameter name value you have specified here? You have to place on edit underscore user reg page. Here you have to specify. All right, that I am going to assigning this local variable of ID. So see here, here I am opening a form of edit form. So select start from registration where ID equal to this means here I am filtering the data rows with the sending of ID value using where class. And MySQL query, you know that the connection and query establishment passing the two parameters and fetching the array values reading with the row. So we'll get in a uniquely identified one single row, we know that. And assigning this row to the parameters of input form like this and the text box input, email and the name and email. Three parameters. If you want to edit any one single parameter, you take only one text parameter or else if you want to take more as you were wish to edit, not only the particular requirements to edit. Some parameters we are not going to offer to edit a number of times to the user. We may clone it and we don't want to allow him to edit the parameters. All right. And see, as of now, for this example, I'm going to take three parameters to be edited. So with this row, I'm calling the value of these parameters of name, ID, I have shown here. Like ID, name, the value, the PHP tag, and row of email. Very super easy. And submit button. Once the submit button is established on action, what is happening? Update underscore user.php, it is redirecting to some other page with the using of post method. So you take update.user.php to be established update query. Let's go here, update underscore user.php. This is also require connection, established, and three parameters are coming from there. It is taken care with the post method. And here update query is established. How it is? Update, the query is update, table name, the registration, set. What are the parameters to be set for update? Three parameters I have used. So name parameter, the column name of the database, and variable value which is updated, and email which is updated, and where the two parameters only I have sending to update. So where ID is this. If you are not used where condition, especially for update, all the relevant columns of your table will be updated successfully. So be care of using this update statement. And this to execute the query statement. This is I have put it as an executing successfully information. Now run this, we'll check it the functionality of real-time example. See here, I want to update my name. So update Shekhar here, adding some content metla and update, hit the button. Wow, your record is updated successfully. So now the record is Sekharmetla. Now go to database and check here by refreshing. See here, it's a name, it is updated successfully. Is it here? That's all about this session. We'll get a wonders how to update the queries and all. See, once it is updated, you will get updated data as well. This is all right. See here, the query of update underscore user. This is about to do, and update like editing of the form. This is about to do, and the view form. We have established two links like update and delete. Delete also you can make it is very simple like update, and this is all about to see our functionality. I hope you are familiar to understand how to update the query statements. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.